Karnataka second PUC results 2025 declared 69.16 pass percentage. Karnataka PUC's second year pass percentage drops by 11.99 percentage. Education Minister explains. Andhra Pradesh to revamp education with LEAP model, introducing AI and global training. Maharashtra Minister orders security and capacity enhancement for SSC HSC result website. US revokes visa for 150 international students in sudden crackdown. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board has declared the results for 2025 second PU exams with 6,88,678 students appearing, 4,76,256 students passed, resulting in an overall pass percentage of 69.16%, a significant drop from last year's 81.15%. Freshers saw a pass rate of 73.45%, while repeaters had a pass percentage of only 8.90%. The science stream recorded the highest pass percentage at 82.45%, followed by commerce 76.07% and arts at 53.29%. English medium students performed better with an 81.75% pass rate. Girls outperformed boys with a pass percentage of 77.8%. Re-evaluation and compartment exams will be available for those who did not pass. The overall pass percentage in Karnataka pre-university exams has dropped by 11.99% with a pass rate of 73.45% this year compared to 81.15% in 2024. The Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa explained that no grace marks were given and that the exams were conducted transparently, including through webcasting to avoid malpractices. Despite the drop, over 3.78 lakh students secured distinction or first class. A concerning 123 colleges reported zero pass percentage, including unaided, aided, government-run and KREIS institutions. The minister instructed officials to investigate these institutions for any shortcomings. The government aims to maintain the integrity of exams and focus on fairness and transparency. Andhra Pradesh is launching a new education initiative, LEAP, Learning Excellence in Andhra Pradesh, starting in 2025-26 academic session focused on improving student outcomes. LEAP will feature a play-based curriculum, AI-driven remedial programs, and a revised curriculum aligned with NEP 2020. It started to aim to build world-class education system by 2029, emphasizing foundational learning, global best practices, and inclusive growth. Key elements include building as learning aid, infrastructure model, Anganwadi centers, and enhanced facilities for girls. Teacher training, e-contact for pedagogy, and bridge courses for students in grades 6 and 9 are also part of revamp, aimed at equipping students with essential skills for the future. Maharashtra Information Technology Minister Ashish Shelar has instructed officials to submit a report on improving the capacity and cybersecurity of the websites hosting SSC and HCC exams results within 7 days. Following a review meeting with Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education and IT department officials, Shelar emphasized the need for regular load testing and capacity enhancement due to high traffic during result declaration. He also highlighted the importance of addressing cybersecurity concern to prevent technical glitches. This initiative aims to ensure smoother access for thousands of students checking their results simultaneously. In a sudden move, the Trump administration has revoked the visa of around 150 international students, including those at prestigious universities and institutions like Harvard and Stanford. The reason behind the revocation remains unclear, sparking confusions and fear among the students and universities. The students are affected, including graduates and undergraduate scholars. They face potential detention and deportation. The University of California, Texas and Minnesota State University are among those with reported cases. Immigration lawyers and university officials are scrambling to assess the impacted students. This action is the part of administration's border aggressive immigration enforcement and the raised concerns about the future of international students in the US. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENN.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and follow our channel.